Okay, so ang pag-aaralan natin, ang topic natin which is all about synthetic division. Okay, so ang dividend natin which is x squared plus 2x plus 1, then our divisor which is x plus 2. So i-divide daw natin yan. So instead of long division, we will be using the synthetic which is the shortcut. So the first step, ilalagay lang natin yung mga coefficient, okay, from the highest exponent. Okay, so we have x squared, the coefficient is 1. We will write that. Next to x squared is x. Ito, oh. Tapos, ang coefficient niya, 2. So, let's write it here. Then, after the x, ang susunod doon ay yung constant, yung number lang, which is 1 also. Okay? So, now, our divisor, which is x plus 2. So, we will now solve for the value of x, equating the divisor to 0. So, finding the value of x, which is x is equal to negative 2. In short, kung ano yung constant dito ng divisor, palitan mo lang siya ng sign. Okay, that is our window number. So, ilagay natin dito, window number natin, negative 2. Okay. Then, meron tayong row 1, okay, row 2, and row 3. Okay. So, ang unang gagawin, which is to bring down the first number in column 1. I-bring down natin doon sa column 3. Laging bring down yan, so bring down 1. Then, all the numbers on the third row will be multiply doon sa ating window number. So, yung mga number na nandito sa row 3, i-multiply lang natin doon sa ating window number. So, 1 times negative 2, ang sagot ay negative 2. Okay? So, we have 2 and negative 2 performing the operation. Sagutan natin yan, which is equal to 0. Ayan. Then, 0 times negative 2, ang sagot dyan ay 0. Then, 1 and 0, we will perform it. The answer is 1. Now, i-multiply pa ba natin itong 1? Hindi na. Because that is the last number in the last column. So, yung last number natin, lagyan natin ng harang. That will be our remainder. Tapos, ang naging sagot natin, 1 saka 0 here, di ba? Okay, ngayon. Puntahan natin yung degree ng ating dividend, which is x squared in the second degree. Sulat natin dito, second degree. At ang ating divisor is in the first degree. So, pag sabing first degree, 1 ang exponent niyan. So, isusubtract lang natin yan. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, ang magiging sagot natin, which is in the first degree. Okay? So, lalagyan natin to ng x. Then, ang constant natin, which is 0. Then, meron pa tayong remaining number na 1. Siya yung remainder natin. So, pwede natin siyang isulat ng x. So, instead of writing anything here, plus 0 or minus 0, wala na kasi 0 siya. Then, remainder 1 over, we will just try to copy yung divisor natin na x plus 2. So, x plus 2. Ayan. So, this is the quotient already. Okay? Another example. Kunyari, meron tayong x cube. Lagyan natin ng 2x cube plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 1 divided by, okay, x minus 1. So, the first step, kunin lang daw natin yung mga coefficient mula doon sa highest exponent going down until ma-reach natin ang constant. Okay, since it is in the third degree, ang coefficient nito ay 2. Sulat natin. At yung second degree, ang coefficient niya ay yung 3. Yung number yun, mga number na kasama ng x. Okay.
DTR.
Tapos, yung negative 6x, so meron na tayong x dito, negative 6. Do not forget the negative sign, Okay. Then, after the x, meron tayong constant na 1. Then, our divisor, x minus 1, equating that to 0. Okay, getting the value of x. So, the value of x which is equal to 1. In short, palitan lang yung sign ng constant doon sa divisor. Okay, so, window number natin which is 1. Okay. Then, we have to bring down the first number in the first column. So, 2. Then, multiply na natin ito sa ating window number. 2 times 1 is 2. Performing the operation, 3 and 2. So, we have 5. 5 times 1, which is equal to 5. Okay? Negative 6 and positive 5, we have negative 1. Negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1. Then 1, negative 1 is 0. So, meaning, we don't have a remainder. Okay, ngayon, anong degree yung ating dividend? So, it is in the third degree minus, ang degree natin ng ating divisor ay first degree. So, we have 2. So, mag-i-start tayo doon sa second degree, which is x squared. Lagay natin dito, x squared. Ang susunod sa x squared ay yung x. Then, after that, which is the constant, ito na. Then, if ever may number dito, that is our remainder. So, since wala, let us now rewrite our quotient, which is 2x squared. Positive 5x, so that is plus 5x. Okay? Minus 1, then no remainder. So, this is our quotient. Okay? Nasundan? Okay. Let's have another example. 1 minus x cubed divided by x plus, gawin natin 3. Okay. So, first, nakita natin ang ating dividend which is not arranged in descending order. Okay? So, kasi it is in the third degree. So, we have to arrange it algebraically. Yan. Okay. So, pwede natin yung isulat ng negative x cubed. Okay? Since ang susunod dapat sa x cubed ay yung x squared. Okay? Wala tayong x squared, it means that the coefficient is 0. Okay? So, 0x squared. At wala rin tayong x, so meron tayong 0x. Then, finally, ang constant natin yung positive 1, so plus 1. Okay? So, kapag isusulat na natin ang ating mga coefficient, that is negative 1, 0, 0, and 1. Okay, then our window number, since x plus 3 tayo dito sa divisor, let us just change the sign of this. So, we have negative 3. Okay, then perform na natin. Bring down the first number, which is negative 1, multiply. Negative 1 times negative 3, which is 3. 0 and 3, which is 3. 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. Then 0 and negative 9, that is negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 3, that is 27. Then 1 and 27, that is 28. Meron tayong number na remainder. Yan. So, since it is in the third degree, minus in the first degree, ang sagot natin, mag-i-start tayo in the second degree. So, lagyan natin ng x squared to, lagyan natin ng x, then ito yung constant natin. So, our final answer will be negative x squared. We can just remove the number 1 plus 3x minus 9. Okay, remainder, since we have here a number that is 28 over our divisor, which is x plus 3. Okay, that is now what we call the synthetic division. Okay.